Hello students, our next topic of discussion is hinge joints. Okay, how will you pronounce it? It is pronounced as hinge joints. Okay, so what is it? Hinge joint. Students, if we open or close a door, we see that door moves in forward and backward direction. Okay, door moves in forward and backward direction. You have noticed that door is connected to a metal frame with the help of some metal joints. Okay, door is connected to a metal frame with the help of some metal joints. These metal joints are known as hinges. Okay, so if you hear the word hinge, hinge means something is connected विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेटल जॉइंट्स. ठीक है, जिसको पेच भी बोल देते हैं. ठीक है, कील की हेल्प से या नेल्स की हेल्प से डोर इज कनेक्टेड टू अ मेटल फ्रेम. डोर इज कनेक्टेड टू अ मेटल फ्रेम. सो similar kind of arrangement is also present in our body where bones are connected and these bones are connected in the form of hinges. Okay, these bones are connected in the form of hinges. Hinges means there are bones and hinge joint allows movement in forward and backward direction only. It has restricted motion and it allows movement in forward and backward direction only. Okay, so where the hinge joint is present in our body, students, I am moving my fingers like this. Okay, I am moving my fingers like this. So here the hinge joints are present. Okay, here also the hinge joints are present. It allows movement in only in single direction. Okay, hinge joint allows movement in single direction. Okay, it allows movement only in single direction. You can see here that my fingers are moving like this only na. It cannot rotate from this point, है ना. I cannot rotate my fingertip from this point. Okay, it can move like this, but it cannot move in left and right direction, or it cannot rotate also. Okay, so hinge joint allows movement in single direction or in forward and backward direction. Okay, so I gave you the example that in fingers, movement of our fingers is due to hinge joint. Movement of our fingers or finger joints are known as hinge joints. Finger joints are known as hinge joints. Another point in the body where hinge joint is present is our lower jaw. Lower jaw is connected to head by hinge joint. Okay, lower jaw is connected to head by hinge joint. While speaking, you will notice that your upper jaw cannot move, but your lower jaw can easily move. So your lower jaw is connected to the head with the help of hinge joint. Okay, so we chew the food. Chewing of food is only due to the hinge joint. Okay, hinge joint allows the movement of lower jaw and it helps in chewing of the food. So what type of joint is hinge joint? In hinge joint, bones are connected with the help of some joints. Okay, small joints are present, just like the joints present in a door. Doors are connected to a metal frame na, with the help of small metal joints. Just like that, bones are connected with the help of some small joints. Okay, with the help of some small bones, and this kind of joint arrangement forms the hinge joint. Okay, this kind of arrangement forms the hinge joint. Hinge joint allows the movement in single direction. The bones can only move in forward and backward direction. Okay, so in our body, hinge joint is present in finger joint. I am moving my fingers like this. Okay, so here the hinge joint is present. What type of joint is present? Hinge joint is present. Okay, and our lower jaw is connected to head with the help of hinge joint. Lower jaw is connected to the head with the help of hinge joint. It means one big bone is there which is connected to another bone with the help of some small, same as the arrangement present in a door, same kind of arrangement is present in our bones also. Thank you.